Howdy, folks. Are you hungry? Do you eat lamb chops or no? We're going to use some Cowboy candy brine. We got lamb chops on deck today. And guess what I'm going to do with these lamb chops? Remember this? Can y'all read that? Nope, it's not focused. So this is the Cowboy candy brine. And like I said in the video, you can marinate. So I'm going to marinate these lamb chops. Let them soak, oh, I don't know, maybe overnight. At least a few hours, let's just say that. I'm going to add some rosemary. Really not grinding it like I want them to. I might take them out of this jar and grind this into powder. And then I'm going to add some Creole, is that what it says? Garlic, cumin, onion, oregano, bay leaves. Put the top on, give it a little shake. We'll stir up. Maybe flip them over. And add just a little more. Give it a good flavor. That top back on, put them in the refrigerator, let them sit for some hours. I don't know how long yet.